I never thought it would get to this point where I'm unboxing a scale on my channel, but anyways, y'all, today we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Garmin Index S2 Smart Scale here in white. So anyway, y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, usual protocol, ready to unbox this overpriced $150 smart scale. Yeah, you heard me right, and Garmin actually didn't come out with this not too long ago, like they came out with this in October. So they used to have an older model, but that was like from years ago. I want to say it was like 2015, 2016 or so, but Garmin came out with this Index S2 with an actual color display now. And because I got the white color here, you can see that the display is actually going to be white too, so that's actually pretty dope. I like that. Now here's the thing, I got this from Best Buy already, I got the black version, but the thing was I got it brand new for $150 and it was used, it had scratches on it and all that stuff, so I gave it back to them. And now here we are, we're gonna have a new Garmin Index S2 that's gonna match my new Hydro Flask, I guess. I just got in the mail today. Also, Hydro Flask, way too expensive, but I mean, it is what it is. It's a pretty good water bottle. Anyway, let's go and check this thing out. So this is the only color that they had. I would have got black, but they just didn't have black. I get this at Walmart. But we have Garmin here on the side, we have Smart Scale Index S2, and then we got the actual scale right here. On the left side, we just got the same information. On the right side, we got the same information, and on the bottom, we just got a Garmin logo. At the top, we got our handle, which looks like it been open, but we'll see here. And at the back, you can see we got some info. It connects to Wi-Fi, and it goes to the Garmin Connect app, but you can't see that tracks these things here. So let's go and check these out real quick. So you got your weight trend, body mass index, body fat percentage, you got your body water percentage, skeletal muscle mass, you got your bone mass, and you got the weather. I thought that was kind of interesting, but it makes sense because you're supposed to weigh yourself when you first wake up, because when you eat, that's gonna add weight to you. So before you go outside and all that stuff, the weather's right there, which is pretty dope. Anyway, let's go and get into this thing, man. So let's go ahead and just do that. And there is our scale. We have our user manual right here, as you can see. And another thing I thought was interesting was that somebody else's account was even logged into that thing too. So I don't know, man. I don't know what happened there. This is definitely brand new though. I didn't have packaging like this. And at that, the batteries were actually in the scale already. So when I took it out of here, it immediately turned on. Anyways, we got 4 AAA Maxwell batteries right outside the box. And we actually got some feet here that you can attach to it if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, man, so here's the scale. So let's go and turn this thing around real quick, and that's where we go ahead and put the batteries in. You got your reset button, and I thought this is pretty interesting, but you can see here that we have this slider here so you can go and choose your measurement that you use. So we got pounds, kilograms, all that stuff right there. So I'm gonna leave it on pounds because that's what I use. I'm in the United States. But let's go and take this off real quick, and then we could just go ahead and load some batteries in here. To be honest, I don't know if I said that this thing has 3 or 4, but definitely got 4. So why did I get this overpriced $150 scale? Says nobody. But I've been keeping up on my health again recently. Like I just signed up for a membership at Planet Fitness, and I'm trying to keep track of my weight and all that stuff and keep it all in my phone. And there's actually an app I found where I can actually go ahead and sync that from the Garmin app to Samsung Health so I can have it in my Galaxy Watch, which I don't got right now. You can do the same thing with Google Fit and Fitbit and pretty much any other service. I'll go and leave a link down below if you want to go and download it. Now you do got to buy it if you want to keep syncing everything between those services, but again, it's pretty dope. I just don't think it's on iOS though. All right, so here we go. We actually have a triangle. Not sure what that means. I think it's just booting up right now. I think that was the Garmin logo actually. And now we actually see here that we're about to get a display where you can go ahead and sync it up with your phone. As you can see there, it's loading, so we'll be asking us in a second. So you do need to pull out your phone, whether it's an Android phone or an iOS phone. But let's go and set this thing up. All right, y'all, so we're in my bathroom now, and wait, what is this? What is this non-smart scale garbage here? This is ridiculous. Gotta deal with everything, don't I? Why is this even in here? Take care of this, I guess. All right. Continue to the video. So it's actually asking me right now to set it up. That's what this display means right here. So it might look a little different for you because I'm already signed in, but you're gonna need to make an account. But what I'm gonna go and do is I'm gonna go and click on the plus button. We're gonna go and hit on manage permissions, and we're gonna go and hit on allow in settings. Change it to allow all the time, or if you don't see that button, just click on allow all the time without having to go into the settings here. And it says right here, ready to connect to your Index S2 Smart Scale. And if this shows up for you, go and click on browse all compatible devices, go to Index, and then go to Index S2. Click on connected, and then it's gonna go ahead and link itself up with it. As you can see there, I gotta go and put that pin in there, and it's gonna go ahead and sync itself up with everything. And all right, there we go. It says well done. We're gonna go and click on next, and then I'm gonna go and put my initials in here. Go and click on add network, and I'm gonna go and add my Wi-Fi right here, and bang, just like that, everything's all good. Now it's actually updating. And I actually made a tweet about this. I was like, when you're just trying to weigh yourself, but your scale ain't about that. Anyways, I'm gonna go and hit on not now, and then I guess we gotta go ahead and wait for the scale to update because that's new. Because apparently in 2021, everything got to update. Like even my robot vacuum has to update. Like that's where we're at right now. Really? I'm gonna give this a minute and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so it looks like we're all updated now. So now all we gotta do is just go to our phone and check this out. Alright y'all, so I got my scale all set up here. As you can see, I had some setup issues, so I moved it off the carpet and it was like restarting a couple times, I think anyways. But you can't see here, it is all set up. So I can see the date, I can see the time, and then I can see my weight. So now for the moment of truth, all I gotta do is just tap my foot on here and then I can actually go and step on it to wake it up. So as you can see there, it's actually taking my weight, and you can see like the Wi-Fi symbols and the syncing and everything. It's still picking it up. Just got the check mark. And now if I go and step off of it, it should go ahead and pick up my name in a second. We will see LJ. And you can actually go ahead and cycle through these by just tapping your foot on the scale, as you can see there. So there's my name. Let me go and zoom out of here real quick. That's my chart so far. I don't really have a chart so far. I can see my BMI, and then we can see the weather. I'm not tapping anything, but I can go ahead and do that real quick if I want to. You can see everything's changing right there for me. One thing I want to say about the scale real quick is that it does one smart thing by actually not using the Wi-Fi all the time, and it only uses the Wi-Fi when you actually weigh yourself on it. That makes sense because you only really need Wi-Fi to weigh yourself so it can sync it to the app and show you the weather, but besides that, you really don't need it. So those 4 AAA batteries should last you a minute. And that's pretty much how this smart scale works. It's just cycling through it still. And if I go to the app real quick, we can actually go ahead and see that my info should pop up. All right, so as you can see, there are 149 pounds. I actually have clothes on, so you know that's gonna make it way more. But it did sync up pretty quickly, and other people can make profiles in your house so it doesn't just override your weight. So y'all, that's gonna be pretty much it for my Garmin smart scale. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments below. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media, EddieSantech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And we'll see how this thing works out, man. I'll keep testing this out some more and just let y'all know how this works out. But thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you on the next one then. Peace out.